Hey guys, welcome to the Porsche Design Tower in beautiful Sunny Isles, Miami. Just to know, this condo has people like Lionel Messi, Maluma, just to name a few. And we're gonna show you the epitome of luxury in Miami today. I'm here with Denis. This unit features 4,000 square feet, 1,000 square feet of exterior, beautiful plunge pool, barbecue, pizza oven, so many cool features inside, including a little surprise. We'll let you guys see the rest.
Welcome, Matthew and Dennis. How are you guys?
Us.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you as well. So Michelle is the listing agent of this beautiful unit in the Porsche Tower. So if you want to give the audience a quick high-level
I'll tell you all the highlights and the benefits of this residence. We are now standing in 1205, which is the Porsche Design Towers. This residence is 4,500 square feet under air, so you have a lot of space you're going to see today. You have a balcony that's about 1,000 square feet, including on it is a plunge pool.
Really cool.
And a outdoor grill with a pizza oven that I understand you might
really
want to
cool.
make a pizza today.
Maybe.
And we also have a 2-car private car garage, so you can literally drive in, avoid valet, avoid front desk, drive into your own garage, come up, and you're in your home.
And you call this a house in the air.
House in the sky.
House in the sky.
House in the sky, mansion in the sky.
That's wicked.
Yeah, I mean, it's great. So
I'm really excited to see the 2-car garage in the unit. That blows my mind still.
Just don't drive the Ferrari out.
I won't.
Okay, good.
I'll try not to.
Okay.
All right, Dennis, take it away.
First of all, it's a great unit. I like it personally. It's a large enough.
Who wouldn't?
Right? It's like a home.
Yes.
Over 4,000 square feet. You have 3 bedrooms, plus 1 living room, 1 media room.
Right off the elevator, you're greeted by a stunning open-concept living space designed to impress and entertain. It also features 2 walkouts to your private balcony, one through the elegant living room and another through the gourmet kitchen, perfect for seamless indoor-outdoor living. The main living area boasts a custom fireplace and mantel, creating a warm and inviting focal point. An amazing open concept layout enhances the spaciousness, adorned with top-of-the-line light fixtures that add a touch of elegance. Stepping into the media room, outfitted with autographed memorabilia and state-of-the-art entertainment systems. Sliding doors allow you to create a private sanctuary, separating the media room from the main living space and kitchen when desired.
We're gonna show later there's a separate space you can have as they did as an art room.
Yeah, pretty cool.
And plus you have your 2-car garage, right?
Yes.
You can park your cars. That's perfect for someone who doesn't like valet to touch their cars, you know.
Yes.
I do have those friends, by the way. One of them, he's really anxious about his cars, and when someone is touching, he's like, go crazy about it. So this is one of the great services in the building when you have, especially if you have something like Ferrari or maybe something else, right? You can park it in here and you can always enjoy it.
Everyone wants their car in their unit, so here you're gonna make that happen. Is that available in a lot of buildings in Miami, or?
No, Porsche only one building.
Okay.
It's the first and only one as of now. Developers are going to be, actually, they already started construction on Bentley Towers, 2 buildings from here.
Yeah.
It's a very nice project as well, but it's a different, I would say, interiors and everything slightly different. But this one was the first one, Porsche. It's very private unit. You have, I guess you saw when you drive it in, you have a security, they will check you in, who's you
Beautiful
going to.
amenities.
Exactly.
We'll try and throw the amenities on here. It might be limited to filming them, but and then, I mean, the views are gorgeous, which like you can't beat that. The blues, all the hues of blue in the water. To wake up to that every day is probably incredible. We're in Sunny Isles right now.
Yeah, it's Sunny Isles Beach. It's one of the cities in Miami, right? Miami, South Florida. Very centrally located because you are between south, between north. You're close to Bell Harbor shops. You're close to Ventura Mall, as you can see right on the beach. By the way, there's a lot of Canadians. If you come here in the winter time, in Sunny Isles, you will see there's a lot of cars on Canadian tags.
Oh, with the license plates?
Yeah,
Well, I mean, we do want to escape the winter.
Probably you're going to be one of them as well.
I am kind of one of them.
Okay.
I actually decided to come here in this blistering hot in my suit today, which maybe not the best idea, but we'll make it work.
Step into a culinary paradise where top-of-the-line appliances elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Cook with precision using the electric range, and enjoy the modern convenience of a disposal and ice maker, making meal prep and entertaining a breeze. The spacious dining room invites you to host lavish dinners, while the beautiful island serves as the perfect gathering spot for family and friends. Crafted to combine luxury with practicality, creating an environment that's as functional as it is beautiful.
Beautiful kitchen, large size kitchen island. You know, enough room for prep, have people over. You have a nice dining room area, clearly, where you can have people sit. So entertaining is probably awesome here. Plus outside you have a barbecue and a pizza oven and then its own punch pool.
Yep.
So the exterior, 1,000 square feet, as you mentioned, which is...
Yeah, I would say easy, 1,000. Yep.
Which is the size of a lot of Toronto condos, interior, just for perspective. So let's see the rest. So this is the back.
Yep, let's go to the garage first.
Yeah, actually, yes, let's do the garage. So down these stairs is the garage to the unit. Okay, this is remarkable. I've never seen this in my life.
I've seen it since, you know.
Thanks for rubbing it in.
I live here.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a unique building.
Yeah.
You don't see it anywhere in the world. And they call it Dezervator because the name of the developer, Gil Dezer,
Okay.
and it's patented technology.
Dezervator.
Dezervator, exactly.
Interesting.
You hear the sound, so
Yes.
it's someone's parking his car. And as you can see behind this wall,
Yeah.
everything is automatic. You don't have to do anything. You just pull in your car.
Yeah.
It takes like, I think it's 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Depends, of course, on which floor are you.
Yeah.
So you just sit in your car and you work on the phone or make some calls. For a lot of people, it's one of those things why they buy here, because they don't want to interact with anyone in the building, for example. What I mean, in the luxurious buildings, you go to someone at the lobby, right? Like concierge or someone saying, hey, hi, blah, blah, blah. Here, you're just in your car, you go to your unit. If you want to get out, same thing, you know. It's
That makes
easy
sense.
breezy. Or, of
Complete
course,
privacy.
you have option that you just park downstairs, as you saw that nice parking lot with the beautiful cars, right?
Yes.
And they park valet for you and you just can go.
That's a good point, because if you are a celebrity stat, like as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we have a lot of celebrities in this building and they don't want to be maybe stopped in the lobby or seen, right in with the car, straight up to the unit, and now you're in your mansion in the sky, which is awesome. Wow, cool. I need to come back to Miami and just experience this for myself, maybe in a car. I still can't like conceptualize how it works, but I'm sure it works, and it works great. So let's see the rest of the unit.
Let's go.
Okay, Dennis, so I think we should head into one of my favorite parts so far was the master.
Please, let's go.
All right, this is an incredible ensuite. You have your jacuzzi spot tub here, 2 rainforest shower heads. That's a massive shower, tons of room for activities in there. And the toilet, it's one of those smart ones. It just lifts up when you walk in and kind of makes a little splash noise.
Yep, and look at the size, right? You don't see it often in the condos. The actual size just of the bathroom is
Yeah.
probably what, like 200 square feet?
Yeah. Yeah, again, it's tons of room, just blow. Everything is very grand. This is one of my favorite, my favorite features though, is this glass dividing wall here. So you get the ocean from the bathroom, the reflection of the ocean too, as you're looking through the mirror.
Yep, I'm just trying to see if you can get ocean view from your bathtub.
You probably can, if those blinds are open more. Yeah, I think they're, with the play of the windows and the mirrors, be able to get ocean throughout, even while showering, right? Because when you're in there, well done. Okay, so yeah, huge space in here. Love this little like lounge area as well, and the views.
You know, I get bored with that.
Yeah, you can't get bored with that.
You know, I've been here for 17 years. I'm doing real estate for 12 years. And I can tell you from my experience, sometimes when I show properties, I'm looking at the views, ocean, water views, and I'm like, I'm never get tired of it. Like
After 17 for sure.
never, like,
Well, you're from Russia,
yeah, originally from
so you
Russia.
come from some cold weather like myself.
Yeah, it's cold. Yeah, it
Right.
was, in the summer it was okay, but I'm not from Siberia, where like short summers. But still, yeah, it was pretty cold.
Well, I mean, a guy like yourself and myself can really appreciate this, especially coming from snow and lakes, a lot of lakes. This is really cool too. Again, just that flow of glass straight to the barbecue area, pizza oven area, and outside jacuzzi. So
Yeah,
it
it makes
really-
this space more roomier.
Yes.
With glass
It
partition.
does. It opens it up. All right, I think you mentioned an art room.
Yep.
Let's check that out. Another thing we forgot to mention too is there's the elevator. Actually, all the elevators go directly to the units, so you're not going to like a hallway or straight into the unit, which is cool. The back part of the house here has 2 more bedrooms. And what would you say like the type of buyer is that would be interested in this unit?
Particularly the way I see it right now, it's a family, right?
Yeah.
Because design and everything. But easy can be single guy.
Yeah.
I would say both.
Okay.
Family first, because it's large enough. You have 3 bedrooms, you have 1 living room, you have media room, plus this space. You can use it as a creative.
Yeah. This
as
is the art room
you can see right
here.
now, right? Or you can
do whatever you want here.
Yeah, you can do a small office here. Like there's a lot of different.
Small office, children's room,
Yeah, children's
playroom, gym.
For sure. I don't think you can put gym because you should see gym.
Oh yeah?
Downstairs.
Okay.
But it's large enough for families with the kids. Plus for a single guy,
For sure.
who wants to have his beautiful cars next to him. You can create this as larger media room. One is an office, for example.
Yes.
You can expand living room and the media room right there. You can combine it, right? Like to make it as a kind of one space.
Yeah.
To remove those sliding doors. So make it bigger, like an entertaining space. Easy, like if I would be single, if I kind of single and envision myself here, easy, especially with the privacy, with the level
More
of
than enough
service in
space.
here.
Exactly.
I would say like both.
Live like a king, live like a queen. All right, shall we check out the exterior?
Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay, this is heaven. This is unmatched. Instant, like just the sounds, the vibes out here. So this is the kitchen. So again, that open flow entertainment where you have your dining room right outside the doors here, and then outside here is your barbecue area, pizza oven. You got fridges, tons of prep space, another large table to eat, and just bam, view, punch bowl. It's one of those things as humans, it's just nice to hear that, connect,
Yep.
quiets you down, slows you down. Maybe again, because I don't come from a place with an ocean, but I do still live by a body of water, and it still makes a difference, I think, for humans having that water. And speaking of water, your own private punch bowl on the balcony. That's
like the
insane.
actual configuration of the balcony, right? You have pool in the middle. It's large enough, right?
Yeah.
For your private pool. Plus you have lounge area on one side, and on that side you have a kitchen.
At nighttime, it's probably so nice to just chill in there.
Yeah.
And just have you hear the waves, but it's dark. Obviously 2 lounging chairs here.
Especially, you said at nighttime, especially in the winter. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not that cold as Canada or Russia.
Yeah.
But you can warm it up.
Yeah.
Right? And in some kind of chilly winter days, you can enjoy it from your pool. That's something.
Yeah, which is nice.
Yep.
It's nice to have that balance of weather. So, appreciate you getting me in to see this property.
My pleasure.
I'm sure everyone wants to know the price. All right, so what's this list like?
Price is, it's, I would say, very well priced for that unit. I'm saying it as someone who's very familiar with the area, right, with other buildings, and it's 4.9 asking price, and the size of the unit almost 4,100 square feet.
Yeah.
It's priced about 1,200 a foot.
That's
so it's,
to have
comparable.
oceanfront, just speaking from my own experience, 1,200 a foot sounds very reasonable.
Plus comparables with the newer buildings.
Yes.
St. Regis on the left side and Bentley on the right side. St. Regis asks close to 2,800
per foot.
It's a pre-construction, exactly. And the Bentley is about the same actually. So
it sounds almost too good to be true. 1,200 a foot, 4.9 million, 4,000 square feet interior, 1,000 exterior, 2-car garage going up, turnkey, be in a building with really notable people. I don't even go wrong. 4.9.
Plus, guys, you paying for that.
Yes.
That's what you're paying for.
Exactly.
This is priceless.
This is priceless.
This is priceless.
All right, guys, so if you have any interest in the unit, please reach out to us. All of our contact information is in the description. And if you love seeing these types of tours, make sure you subscribe, like, share with some friends, because we're gonna bring you a ton of really cool properties all around the world. That's what we do on field trips. So Denis, thank you.
Thank you.
It's been
I'll
awesome.
give my 5 cents, guys, and give your feedback all the time. You know, it's very for us.
Yep.
Someone who's on this side, it's always a huge plus, right, to get a feedback from you.
So drop your comments, let us know what you thought about this video and this property and about what we do. And we'll see you guys on the next tour. Take care.